I think it's really stupid how auto insurance rates work. It's really dumb. I am 20 years old at this time, and they seem to have people that are underage, obviously under 25, have high insurance rates. Well, yeah, that reason is because the statistics say that the majority of those that are under 25 years of age don't drive good and basically have accidents. Well, I kind of find it unfair that women under 25 have lower insurance rates than guys, and guys have skyrocketing insurance rates. Now, that is actually beginning to change, at least around here, where women are starting to get into more accidents too and stuff, and their insurance rates are going up. But it's kind of stupid how people can ruin it for you. I got a ticket last year, my very first ticket, and it was in August of last year. It was for going 10 kilometers over the speed limit, and the speed limit was 50, and I was doing 60. Anyways, I got a $40 ticket, which, wasn't too happy about. First ticket, and I thought I'd be one of the lucky few that never got one. Anyways, so paid that. I asked the officer if I paid it, what would happen, or I just said pay it and everything would be fine. Of course I paid it a week later. $40. Not a big deal. It happens, right? Well, this year, insurance adjuster did some insurance adjustments and that for the year, and they ended up upping my auto insurance because of that 10 over speeding ticket for $40. Made my insurance go up to an extra $900. So, and ended up becoming $2,900 or something around there than it was. One speeding ticket. I didn't even mean to. I was traveling in an area I didn't know to go somewhere, and I didn't see it and whatever. Anyways, one little ticket and the insurance went up. That is absolutely crazy. Man, that really makes me off. Insurance companies will try and find any way to get money out of you, no matter what it is. Now, if I don't get another speeding ticket within 3 years, my insurance will go down. And by the time I'm 25, it'll go down even more, and so on. But what about those good drivers? I'm sure there's good drivers out there that are under 25 years old. It's really silly. I don't know. I found it stupid. So, anywhere you go, pretty much, to one insurance company, to another insurance company, all the rates are pretty much the same. They're going to try and get as much money out of you as possible, even when you just get the bare minimum for your insurance. I don't know. I don't know what the insurance rates are in the United States because I'm in Canada, or how that works, and there's upfalls and downfalls. I mean, what happens if you spend all this money every month and then never have an accident? Well, what happens after that? You end up obviously dying or something, and you spent all these years paying for insurance, yet the fact is you never had an accident. So what happens to all this money? Do your kids get any benefit from it, or do they just take it dead, gone, big deal? I don't know. There should be a thing that if you never ever get into an accident your whole life, yet you paid insurance, okay, that you should be able to have that money over to your kids, like pass it over, or someone who's in your will. That'd be kind of cool. Does it work like that? I have no idea. Maybe I'll find out. But yeah, I just wanted to share the experience with auto insurance. They'll find any reason to up your rates. A ticket, anything. So, young drivers beware. Don't get any tickets, or your insurance may go up even a year from that ticket. Yeah. Have any questions? You can email us. questions@McInTEC.net. Stop by our live page at live.McInTEC.net and our main site at McInTEC.net. And subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like our videos. youtube.com/McInTEC. Chat at you later.